Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is going to be a vlog. So I basically went to a trek with my friends and it was a really fun day. So I thought to vlog it for you all. So yeah, now without further ado, let's get started with the video. I don't wanna realize how far away I am from heaven. So these are my friends with whom I actually went, and I had my mom together as well. So yeah, that's my another friend who was hiding behind the seat and now she's here. So here we are on the way to the trek location. So it was a really beautiful path and I simply loved how green the whole entire environment was. And now we have started our trek. We had many other people also who had joined us and it was a really fun trek with a huge group together. So here we are on the way to the trek location. Hey guys, so I am here to interrupt you because I have something really interesting and important for all the 10th graders out there. So in case you're in 10th grade, you are soon having your term 1 board exams and I am sure you might be looking for all those websites and all the stuff for some good sample questions. So I have a really good book for you all. So recently I got this book from Oswald Books, which is the CBSE sample question papers for class 10th in science. This actually comes in various other subjects. I even have the math book in case you haven't watched my previous videos. So this book actually has really great features and I found all the questions in this book really important and useful because in my internal exams also I found many of the questions were there from this book as well. So this book basically has on-tip notes, revision notes, mind maps and mnemonics, which is really good for a revision of the chapter. And then it even has OMR sheets and answers with explanation at the end of each sample paper, as OMR sheet is something which is really important for now because that's what we would be doing for a term 1 exam. And then it even has all those MCQs covered, such as standalone MCQs, case-based MCQs, and then all those types of MCQs because that's what is coming in term 1. So yeah, those were a few of the really good features which I found in this book and I thought to share it with you guys. So in case you want to check out this book, I'll make sure to link it down in the description box so you can go check it out there. So yeah, now without further ado, let's get continuing with the trekking. Alright, so moving on to the vlog, here are my friends whom I'm telling to look at the camera, but they thought it was a picture. Then I was like, no, it's a video. So they're like, hi everybody. So now moving on, the view was so amazing. All those yellow flowers were giving the total autumn feeling. So I really loved how the path was, although there was a bit of junk thrown here and there, but still, it was comparatively clean. And now here we stopped at the location again and we are clicking some pictures. Now here it's me who is still walking and others are also walking. Actually the trek was so fun, like it was not that sunny because we went a bit early in the morning. It's around 7 a.m. that time, and all those lush green bushes and everything made it look more and more beautiful.
I found somebody, I say you don't cross my mind.
So now we are finally there at a location. It was the top of the hill and we stopped here to have some snacks and drinks. So I actually didn't take any snack, but yeah, it doesn't really matter because I had water, so I had that. And it was actually my friend's birthday. The friend who was sitting beside me with open hair, that's her birthday today. So it was really fun going on a trek on her birthday. It was actually a coincidence, but yeah, the coincidence was really amazing and we kind of celebrated her birthday on top of a hill, which was something different and fun as well. And the view up there was so good. And now we are done eating our snacks and we are off back down. So we will now go back down, which were like from where we came. So yeah.
It's the feeling of all that we were. I don't.
So while going down, we came across this beautiful patch of forest, which was so good. Like we clicked a lot of pictures here, and yeah, we are now going down to the place where we actually came from, and we stayed for quite a while in this forest area, and like all the vibe out there was so good. Like the weather was a bit cold and a bit sunny kind of a weather, which was really fun and good. So here is all the aunties and uncles and all the children who were there with us. And actually going with a group for a trek is the best part, because you won't get lost anywhere in the mountains. So now we are almost down the road, so you can see the happiness on everybody's faces finally coming down. And one of my friends, like, she was too tired to come down, so yeah, we had to take her back because we obviously can't leave her at the mountain, right? So yeah, now we are going across the same path from where we came from. All those lush yellow greenery and all the beautiful flowers out there. And yeah, we basically clicked a lot of pictures there. And yeah, so now we are going towards the parking, to the place where we actually parked our car. Until then, we were quite tired because we had a sleep over the previous day and we were totally sleep deprived. So that's the reason we all were a bit, lazy, you can say. And then yeah, so I just returned back home and I had some lunch. So for lunch we had idli, sambar and chutney. That's one of my favorite lunch, you can say, because I can have South Indian food at any time of the day, no matter how many times you give it to me, because I love it so much. Everybody has their favorite food, and South Indian food is mine.
On First Avenue, 'cause sometimes I don't even know where I'm going at first. All of the turns that I had to unlearn, back to the surface, the feeling of all that we were. I don't always think about you till First Avenue, that's when I do.
So after having lunch, I decided to study, because what else would a 10th grader do, right? So I was studying some science, because science is something you actually need a lot of practice, especially chemistry, because chemistry is totally not my strong point. And that's the reason I am currently solving some sample question papers, which really helps me in getting the concepts clear and learning what types of question would come in the exam.
Beginning to feel a little bit like autumn.
So guys, I think I would be ending the vlog right here, and that was all about my morning or day, you can say. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this video. In case you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, turn on those post notifications, and comment down below what your favorite part in my video was. Till then, stay safe and keep watching.